Hey everyone, I'm Lucas Kwiatkowski. I'm a full-time Amazon PPC manager. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've taken a bit of a break. So I actually just moved across the country from California back to New York, bought a house back in New York. I'm all settled in. This will be my permanent background for quite a while now. So it took some time off to do that trip, and now I'm going to be coming back to you with some content. Now, just this video, I am going to cover types of video ads. So a lot of people, as video ads are becoming more and more important on Amazon, a lot of people are asking me, why are my video ads converting? What types of video ads should I get made? And what can we do to kind of better increase that conversion, okay? So if you wanna fast forward about a minute, I wanna talk about the Amazon ecosystem right now and what's been going on with me. First off, I am in the process of getting certified for Amazon DSP. If you're a beginner seller, DSP is far away from you, so really don't worry about it. If you guys are an advanced seller, you know DSP is basically the other half of PPC. I've grown my business with search, and now I have a good base on that, a good team behind me with search. So I finally pulled the trigger on getting trained in DSP. So I am having another DSP expert train me. We're doing weekly sessions. I really want to dive in the weeds in that, because you guys know that's what I like, because I'm not just going to hire someone. I want to learn it myself. So hopefully by Q4, I will be able to put out DSP content, because I will have signed on my clients to DSP at that point, okay? Now, really quick about what's been going on with Amazon lately. Sales are down. Things are not going well. It's summer, okay? So it always makes my job difficult in summer because conversions are down, sales are down. It's just people don't buy in the summer. That's why Prime Day is in the summer, because they want to get that sales spike. So all I can say to you is be patient, okay? If ACOS is spiking, if sales are down, know that you're not doing anything wrong. Don't go in there. Don't add a bunch of negatives. Don't lower your bids like crazy. Lower your budgets, okay? Keep your tacos healthy, and then just wait a little longer. Mid-August, come early September, things are going to pick back up, and then we get into the busy season, okay? Just be a little more patient. Now, video ads, types of video ads. I'm going to jump right in here. And what I try to get people to think about is there are three types of video ads. One that we all grew up with and that we think of are TV ads, right? TV ads, and I'm just going to let this one run in the background, Olay. TV ads are one where you're glued to your TV. You have to watch that ad. Your sound is on. You're on a big screen. So they have all of these fancy things that catch your attention. They have sound. They have a narrator, right? Guys, there's text on this video ad right now in white. I can't even see it, and I'm looking at it on my screen. So the only reason people are going to click on this Amazon video ad is because it's Olay. But if I, had the pleasure of working with Olay, I would say TV video ads do not convert to Amazon product video ads. No one has their sound on. They don't care about this sciencey stuff. They want to see the product, they want to see the benefits, and they need text. Text is king. That's type 1 of the video ads. Type 2, type 2. Is it an Instagram brand ad, okay? Right off the bat, you see we've got a lot of quick shots here. And we've got a lot of guys' faces and really quick shots. Now we've got a guy walking down the street. I don't know what product this is advertising at this point. Is it, right? They're showing some men's face care. It almost looks like a men's fashion line, right? This is what I see as an Instagram brand ad. You guys see how this is kind of drawn to Instagram, and you barely see the product. There's no text. There's no product. This is for their whole brand. That's not going to convert either. Type 3, and this is where we get into actually Amazon product ads. This is running right now, okay? It's too long. I already would have scrolled past it on my phone. Now they've got another still image, some very simple one words, and then they end with this one. This is actually a decent screen. It shows me the benefits of the product, and then they show some pictures of guys' faces, okay? Now, none of those are good. None of those made me want to click on them. How you want to improve on all of them, this one, take this very first scene and just stick with that. Where that guy's in the shower and grabbing the bottle of this, that can be your whole video. Build off of that, put some text in there, okay, and build off of that. Amazon video ads, people are not going to watch them longer than 5 to 10 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds is all you have to grab their attention. This one, way too boring in the beginning. Way too boring. Your first screen should last 2 seconds, barely 2 seconds, okay? And then they should be showing before and after images here. That's really what they need. So this whole category was really not doing well. If I jump into another category that I found, foam rollers, right off the bat, boom, okay, it is giving me live shots of this product. Every single, okay, it's gonna start over. Here we go. Every single screen here has the product in it. I see the product being used. I see text, target all muscles. I see setup. I see different people using the product. This is an amazing video. This is what I would call probably mid-budget. I'm sure they spent a good amount on this, but it's not an Instagram brand ad. It's not a made-for-TV ad. This is what you want. Simple text, and the product needs to be in every single shot. Where's the other one? This one, it's even lower budget, okay? We've got a foam roller. They shot this in a garage, and you can see like the lighting is different, right? See the text they use? They set this up themselves. But there's moments of benefits with still images, and the product is in every single shot. The text could be bigger, but this is another great video ad. Now on the other end, if you have something, that's clickbaity, that that you can push, dogs, right? Who isn't gonna click on a dog that's playing with a toy? Okay, so if you have anything where it's made for video, honestly, go to a friend's house, right, and shoot it with your phone. This has, again, and you see, this purple toy is in the video every single time. So I just want to let you guys know, I have 2 people who make videos for me. For placeholders, if I want to get videos done really quickly, I have a guy on Fiverr who charges me $40, and all he does is he puts those still images together. Okay, so I'll say, hey, take this one, make this the first screen, and put some quick bullet points on it for 2 seconds. Then take this one, but make some cool animations with this text. Make that 3 seconds, and then end it with another screen like this, right? With the bottle superimposed or something for 3 seconds. He makes me 10-second videos for $40, and they convert almost as well as really expensive videos. The other one I have that we really like are unboxing videos, which Amazon people love, okay? So it's basically, you ship your product to this guy, he will pull it out of the box, do stop motion, and show it every step of the way so that you're seeing the product, okay? So you really need to think about this. Not all video ads are created equal. Amazon is a very specific marketplace. So make sure that your videos are built for Amazon. If you have existing videos, make sure they work here, and hopefully this will help your videos convert better.